All right, it's Wednesday, October 18th. I'm buying some SPY 435 puts here at 455. And I'm watching this volatile open really closely here, and I'm just going to play the downside here after looking at this 5-minute bar. After coming up, taking out these stops here, taking out the first bar high and then failing, at least at the moment. We're going to see if this ends up being a shooter bar that follows through to back to the downside. You can see it's a very volatile open here. First bar kind of near the pre-market lows. Then we kind of held there on bar 2. On bar 3, we actually started up and then didn't quite reach that high to fail, and we came down and took it out, but then we closed neutral, then we started up again. We finally took out that double top here, the first bar high and this third bar high and then this pre-market high, and we came up there, and now we're failing. So I'm going to play this failure as kind of what's really unfolding here for the day. We'll see if that 15-minute chart can finally break out below that low and hold. We're below the midpoint of the prior day and heading lower here. We're red on the day. We're just about to turn red on the week. If we could just continue a little lower, and this could be a 2-up failured week where we kind of took out the previous high. If we can get a move down this morning, we can get to the midpoint of that week, and then we can be taking out the lows of the week, so all signs are kind of at the moment negative based on this type of opening. Below the pre-market lows, we're below the open, we're red a little bit. We still got to get that continuation to the downside after that broadening action yesterday. So in the end, we're looking for higher highs here, and then if we can break down, we can end up getting lower lows type of thing. So here we go. This is the 15-minute chart. You do have the shooter bar. We are following through. We should take out the intraday lows, and then maybe after this choppy open, start that big move down in the big picture towards yesterday's low, and then all the way down here. We'll just see if that unfolds. Again, just got to keep your stop, I guess. You just got to call this kind of the high of the day at this point and see if that's what it ends up being, and we can get some directional movement to the downside.